Welcome to Moving Day with Nellions, and this is how we move a home gym.
Nellions.
At the origin house, we commence by disassembling the equipment such as bench presses, free weights, treadmills, and this compound rowing machine. This is crucial so as to avoid any damage to the equipment during the moving process. It's important to label all joints for easy reassembly. Keep any nuts, bolts, and washers in a clearly labeled package for easy retrieval. If you handle the disassembly properly, reassembly at the destination should be a breeze. It's simply a matter of matching all the joints and tying them together. Finally, arrange the equipment in a manner that makes it easy for day-to-day use.
Move with Nellions. Remember to like, share, subscribe.